Being an American manufacturer is definitely something that we sell as a value add. Not only are we employing people here at home, but it allows us to really keep a tight control on quality and get the product out quicker in a lot of cases than what our competitors can do.
The proudest moments for Endura are actually, if I can just go back way back when, it's when we get into situations where we've got to do something that's almost unheard of in terms of either figuring out how to ship product out or overcoming a crisis situation not necessarily made of our own.
We had a customer who was in the Midwest that called at 1 p.m. on a Wednesday and said we had a major issue with our inventory control system. We're going to be out of material by 7 a.m. in the morning and have to shut the plant down. Can you guys help us out? It was 1 p.m. Got together, realized it was a 2-day shipping point, got with our freight guys. They started looking for and found a tandem trucking crew that 2 guys were going to drive through the night. Met with the plant, said it was a major customer. They had a mishap. Who's willing to volunteer, stay tonight? And we got a crew together. We worked from 1 o'clock till 8 o'clock. The truck picked up, delivered at 6 a.m. the next morning, and they kept running. Later that day, a truck showed up with a bunch of Krispy Kreme donuts. And so the customer had Krispy Kreme donuts delivered because we pulled off what people said couldn't happen. And so we had the little Krispy Kreme hats that they give out. Everybody in the plant signed it. I've got it in a frame in my office. But that jumps out, and that says a lot about our people. They didn't have to stay that night, but they knew that that customer was in need. And as partners, they were willing to stay, and we did something that people said at first there was like, there's no way it can happen, and we always find a way to make it happen.
Even with marketing, the ability to just jump on a call, get on a plane, even hop in your car and drive down the road, being that close to your customer, to be able to get to them, address their problems, and understand their needs together, to develop a solution that truly works to help accomplish their actual goals, their specific goals to their brand, being able to get to them that quickly, it's invaluable.
We're here to service our customers, and not only can we ship our product in a more timely fashion and respond to rush orders, those are kind of the obvious things, but more than that, I think it helps us form relationships.
We're close to our customers. It's knowledge, okay? You can't get that knowledge from 8,000 miles away.
Changes in customers' needs, or if something happens. We are manufacturing. Sometimes issues happen. We can respond quick. With domestic manufacturing, a person calls us, we can get in the factory, we can make things happen quickly, and we can turn it around. It's a lot harder to do that when you have 12 weeks of transit time on the water. Or if you have a container that shows up and the quality on that container is bad, and you were expecting that to get production out next week. Being an American producer, we can turn things around in 24 hours.
When our customers need us, we're there and we deliver.